Hey everybody, this is Eric for Planting Seeds for Life, and I just wanted to show you that this is how a Back to Eden garden works. You have this deadfall here. It's got moss growing out of it, some of those mushrooms on top, and you got leaves, and that log and the leaves collect the water and then they disperse it to all of this green that is going on here. It's the same way that it works in the Back to Eden garden. The wood chips collect the rain, and they have mushrooms growing out of them, and sometimes other things, some kind of mycorrhiza or whatever that had been attached to it in its previous life, so to speak, when it was a tree, and then it collects the water and it decays and it disperses the water to the plants that are growing in the wood chips or whatever kind of mulch you have. Anyway, that's my 2 cents for the day. I just want to say thanks for watching. God bless, and see you next time.